curiosity, creativity and collaboration that STEM careers and develop skills needed for technology, ensure equal access to high quality STEM education. Inspire and motivate students to become future-learning activities, interactive workshops, coding competitions. Also declared STEM experiential inquiry.
Sports, B. Story, C. Social. Your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is science.
Drawing pictures, only writing stories.
Name one computer input device. Keyboard.
My next three questions are for class zinc,
Yes, your answer is correct. Yes, your answer is correct. It's